It's kind of what you expect from the TTC, but nevertheless, whenever it happens, it's still really annoying.
If subway riders thought their commuter headache was over, think again. I'm Brandon Rowe at St. Andrews Station for the first of many weekends of subway closures.
I'm really angry because we're not being given information that can be actually useful and helpful. We just got off a streetcar expecting to get on the university line here, and now we find out we have to get back on a streetcar to take another streetcar to take a shuttle bus to get where we're going.
Subway riders have probably noticed a streak of no weekend closures. Well, unfortunately, that streak has ended today.
This weekend's closure is taking place from St. Clair West to Union Station, and this closure is important because it allows us to continue the installation of our automatic train control signaling system. Over the course of the next year into the end of next year, we will continue to install the infrastructure needed for this signaling system across Line 1.
A whopping 42 full weekend closures are planned for 2018, displacing thousands of subway riders.
While the subway isn't operating between St. Clair West and Union, we do have shuttle buses and other alternatives that customers can use.
If you don't want to take the shuttle, maybe you were thinking about taking Lyft. They came up with a marketing strategy to increase ridership. Lyft has a 10-ride promo where you pay $3.25 plus any amount over $10 to and from any Line 1 subway station.
They keep texting me all kind of stuff, but they told me that it's going to be busy today.
But is the promo really worth it? The 1 kilometer trip from Queen's Park Station to St. Andrews Station, which is within the coverage area, cost me $10. If I would have taken Uber, it would have only cost me $6. Some riders I spoke with were confused why TTC would do this work now as opposed to at night when the TTC is closed.
We have work that happens every night when our subway closes. The one advantage of closures on the weekend is 1 weekend of work is the equivalent to about 5 weeks of nightly work. So it allows us to get a considerable amount of work done in a shorter period of time.
After this weekend's closure, subway service between St. Clair West and Lord's Station will be closed for the next 3 weekends. In Toronto, Brandon Rowe, City News.